Singapore is the most visited fifth city in the world due to the beautiful tourist spots. Gardens by the Bay of Singapore is with three gardens spread across 101 hectares, that is 270 acres of land. It is a living encyclopedia of new knowledge and fresh insights for nature lovers. Discover horticulture wonders with three top picks at Gardens by the Bay. It is beautifully designed green space. Wander through the Bay East Gardens, perfect for enjoying the vibrant plant life and escaping the city bustle for a moment. We can visit world's largest glass greenhouse flower dome. The head to the cloud dome, uh, forest dome and flower dome both are very large of 2.5 acres to see the world's tallest waterfall, 35-meter height, and learn a bit about biodiversity in Cloud Forest Dome. You can also visit a beautiful man-made 35-meter mountain and a waterfall. It is a memorable experience. Make the most out of your visit for an experience you won't forget. It is featuring over 1 million plants from 19,000 species in the flower dome. Wander amongst 1,000-year-old olive trees and unusual bambos in the cold, dry Mediterranean and in subtropical regions as you take in sights of the changing floral display. Gardens by the Bay comprises three distinctive waterfront gardens by Bay South, Bay East, and Bay Central. Bay South, the largest of the three gardens with 130 acres, opened in 2012 with its award-winning cold conservatives and iconic super trends. Bay South has placed Singapore superbly on the international map and a source of national pride. Within Flower Dome, the ever-changing floral displays including crowd favorites such as Tulipomania, Orchid Extravaganza, and Blossom Beats bring the beauty and diversity of the Point Kingdom to life for all to enjoy. There are many programs takes place throughout the year for the local and international visitors. There are festivals, music concerts, and movies screenings, sports and community events, and educational workshops and school programs, which draw a wide spectrum of visitors to the garden. Bay East, the second largest, 79 acres, offers a triangle respite from the bustling city and stunning view of the Singapore skyline, even as it unfolds over the next century. This green space is open to the public and has immense potential for a future development as a waterfront garden. It has a 2-kilometer promenade frontage bordering the Marina Reservoir. So Bay Central is the garden which will serve as a link between Bay South and Bay East when developed with a 3-kilometer waterfront promenade boasting stunning views of the city. It stands at 37 acres. Then Conservatories complex at Gardens by the Bay, Singapore comprises two cooled conservatories, the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest situated along the edge of the Marina Reservoir. Both are very large, around 2.5 acres, and the Flower Dome is the world's largest columnless glass house. It is of large glass roof without interior support. The Flower Dome is the largest greenhouse in the world as listed in 2015 Guinness Book of World Record at 3 acres and replicants a cool dry Mediterranean climate. It features a changing display, the flower field and the 8 other gardens, namely Babos, Succulent Gardens, Australian Garden, South African Garden, South American Garden, Olive Grove, California Garden, and the Mediterranean Garden. These 8 gardens exhibit exotic flowers and plants from the Mediterranean and semi-arid regions from 5 different countries. Cloud forest is higher but slightly smaller, 2 acres. It replicates the cool, moist conditions found in tropical mountain regions between 1000 meters and 3000 meters above the sea level. Found in Southeast Asia, Central and South America. It features a 42-meter cloud mountain accessible by an elevator, and visitors will be able to descend the mountain via a circular path where a 35-meter waterfall provides visitors with a refreshing cool air. The Cloud Mountain is the role of orchids, ferns, peacock, kerns, spike and clumb mosses, bromeliads, and anti-hormias. It consists of a number of levels, each with a different theme, including the Lost World, the Cavern, the Waterfall View, the Crystal Mountain, the Cloud Forest Gallery, the Cloud Forest Theatre, and the Secret Garden. Super Tree Grove. 18 trees are the foliage-covered metal-structured trees-like structures that dominate the garden's landscape with height that ranges between 82 feet and 160 feet. They are vertical gardens that perform a multitudes of functions, which includes planting, shading, and working as environmental engineers for the garden. The super trees are home to enclaves of unique and exotic ferns, vines, orchids, and also a vast collection of bromeliads such as Thilacia. Amongst other plants, the super trees also serve air intake and exhaust functions as part of the conservatory's cooling systems. OCBC Skyway. There is an elevated walkway, OCBC Skyway, between the two of the large super trees for visitors to enjoy a panoramic aerial view of the gardens. Every night at 7:45 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. the Super Tree Groves comes alive with a coordinated light and music show known as the Gardens Rhapsody. The music of the show changes every month. Some of examples are from films Jurassic Park and Pirates of the Caribbean. There is also a newly opened attraction called the Super Tree Observatory, which opened on December 2019. It comprises 3 levels: the ground floor, the observatory space, and air spotting. The Children's Garden was opened on January 2014. The Children's Garden is near the tree house and the Adventure Trail. The Adventure Trail consists of trampolines, balancing beams, hanging gardens, and more. Horticulture themed gardens. There are 2 distinctly different sets of horticulture themed gardens which are under horticulture heritage, and Bayfront Plaza and Floral Fantasy. Bayfront Plaza is the main entry into gardens from Bay Point MRT station. It includes an attract is called Floral Fantasy, which consists of 4 gardens, landscapes of floral artistry, and a 4D ride experience. It is of 1,500 square meter. Horticulture themed gardens. 2 distinctly different sets of horticulture